Hey everyone, it's Melanie from UMI Performance, and today we're answering the common question, do I need a thrust bearing kit for my Viking Performance Coilovers? The answer is yes, and I'll show you how to assemble it properly. The purpose of the thrust bearing kit is to reduce friction during adjustment to raise or lower the vehicle's ride height. A thrust bearing kit must be installed properly with the use of anti-seize to maintain the factory warranty on your new Viking coilovers. Here I have a double adjustable Viking Performance Warrior shock. To assemble, place the lock ring ridge side up on the shock first. Then, spin the main adjuster down onto the shock. The order of installation is flat washer, thrust bearing, then flat washer. Before placing the spring, add anti-seize to the threads above the main adjuster and a dab on the thrust bearing. Place the spring onto the shock and install the spring assembly onto the car. For shock adjustments, turn the C knob to change compression damping and the R knob to change rebound damping. Left to loosen the settings and right to tighten the settings. There are 19 clicks available for each channel. The knob all the way to the left is 0. Your Viking shock includes a guide showing the recommended initial adjustments for your application. Please refer to the link in the description to download this guide. UMI Performance is proud to carry the entire Viking Performance product line. For more information, order your Viking shocks, email support@umiperformance.com.